I'm a ceramic artist based here in Jersey. I started my work when I first moved over here and was so inspired by the beautiful colours, the flora, the fauna, the coastline. As an artist, I just felt myself moving towards all things coastal. My work is a combination of ceramics mounted on driftwood that I find on the beaches here. Again, something too unique to Jersey, which has been such an inspiration to me, is when you walk on the coastline after a good storm and find these beautiful pieces of driftwood. And it was the obvious way of marrying up my work. We use the internet for everything. We have 2 shops, the busy one here in Central Market and a studio. We use it for our emails, for our general day-to-day. In the shops, it's obviously really important for our transactions, for our chip and pin machines. We use it for our social media, for our online sales, for dealing with customers. It's a constant in our life. We've recently moved both shops and our studio over to fibre, and it's made a huge difference. Recently, we had a customer came into the market shop here and needed to know what was available in the Goree shop. In the past, that would have been done through a phone call, but because we've got such great service now, we were able to WhatsApp and FaceTime to the other premises and give the customer a virtual tour and show them exactly what was available, and gave them the choice of really 2 shops, but only having to stand in 1 shop. This was something which would not have been able to be done before we got fibre. Things like our chip and pin machine have been just consistently good. No glitches, no downtime. Again, something that's really important to us. And general communications between the 2 shops have been made a lot easier and a lot quicker and a lot more efficient. To put 3 premises over to fibre in one go could be quite onerous, but your team worked really, really well. They came on time, they did a brilliant service, they kept me informed, and the outcome has been that we're now working with such a great, consistent, reliable service.